All right, tonight we got Mr. Z here with us. I'm gonna let him introduce himself, tell you what he ride. You know, go ahead, take it away, man.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I go by Z. So currently I ride a 2005 GSXR 750. Been riding for a little bit, and right now I can say I'm a bit more comfortable on that bike, but might end up trading up to something different soon.
All right, so what would you say, cruisers or sports bikes?
Ooh, that's tough though. That's tough. So I'm a sports bike person, but the last couple of days, I've been looking at a couple cruisers. They look pretty good.
All right.
Um, but I'm not opposed to getting a cruiser. I've been trying to. I feel like you have to get to a certain age to get on a cruiser so much. But I know. But some cruisers are really good, and the thing, I'm just not ready for it yet.
A certain age. Wow. Oh, you trying to say it's
Oh,
a old man bike sitting behind me?
now you have to reach a level. I think you have to get to a certain level of maturity in life to hit
Mm,
a cruiser. Cruisers
mm.
to me are more that you you want that responsible fun.
You know, not responsible. You taking riding a little more serious than doing a buck 80 down the freeway. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, kinda. Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you a
All
lot
right,
more
so
responsible with life.
I guess. So how long you said you've been riding for?
About 6 years.
About 6 years. Cool, cool, cool. And you said you rather cruisers, so that not cruisers, sports bikes. So that means you probably prefer a straight line, a piece of interstate versus trying to hit a back road and hit the twisties, or it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Actually, for me on a sports bike, hitting the twisties are a lot more fun than just hitting a straight line. Hitting a straight line, you could get there fast, but to officially call yourself a good rider or even a rider, to me on a sports bike, you need to be able to hit some corners and at least get your helmet and your knee pads scraped up to officially be a rider.
I
Yeah,
ain't
you
got no
get
comeback for that. I ain't trying to scrape my head. I don't know.
yeah, you
I
got to put your knee
don't
out
know.
and lean to get all
No,
these angles through the corners.
I like my knees. You know, they kind of working right now. I still like them. Yeah. All right. So, would you what prefer a long distance ride or just shooting in and out of town, around town?
I rather in and out of town.
No.
One of the disadvantages of riding a sports bike is as much as you can go a long distance, is not as comfortable as
Oh,
sitting on a
not as
cruiser.
it's not comfortable.
I'm not giving that. It's not as comfortable as a cruiser. As a cruiser, you
No.
could
It's not comfortable. Say it right. It's not comfortable.
on a sports bike, you go around town. It's just you zoom in and out of traffic. You get where you have to get. You go back home, or you get back to work. In and out. On a
I could do the
long,
same thing.
yeah, yeah, but you'll be a lot more. It'll take you a little more time than me. I'm just
Depends.
yeah, but
Well,
I would say
depends.
I would say for a long ride, I would always choose a cruiser because I'll be a
Right,
lot more
right, right.
comfortable. My gas mileage will be a much better, and I could have more fun on. I could have more fun on a long distance with me riding with a bunch of people on a cruiser than on a sports bike because less stops. So you have more time to enjoy the
Well,
road and enjoy the ride.
it's not only less stops. You're not trying to race. I mean, it could be done. Believe me,
Yeah.
we do it too. You know, it's The same 120, 130, it's still 130 miles an hour, whether you're on a sports bike or a cruiser. But it could be done. But just cruising. That's what the
It's
definition is in the name. Cruise.
yeah,
You're not on that bike to go 150 miles an hour. You on there to chill, take your
to en-
time, enjoy the sights, and every
and
now and then, when you need that speed, you still have it. We just don't use it. We ain't trying
yeah.
to brag out here. We trying to chill.
That's the
Uh,
how we would say back home. That's the official Kawe mobile. You
yeah,
just you
just
just
chilling
go and
hard.
you just relax and
Yeah,
just enjoy the wind
exactly.
in your hair and stuff like that. So
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, I
yeah.
get that. I'll never say I don't get that. I get that. It is quite fun to be on a cruiser, especially going through the scenery and stuff like that.
Right.
But
So what is your attraction to motorcycles? What would you say brought you to wanting to own one and wanting to ride one and be part of the life choice of being a biker or a motorcyclist or a bike enthusiast, whatever title that you have for it.
so I would say my first experience with motorcycles was probably when I was like five, six. Um, just going out to the track back home, seeing the guys ride and race on the track, and then just on the little stretches that we have on the island, seeing the guys actually push their bikes and being able to lean through a corner and get out of that corner fast enough, even faster than a car sometimes. It always fascinated me. It was always about me going fast down a straight or going through a twisty road as low as I could go and as fast as I could go.
Right, right. All right. That's cool. And you say you got a Gixxer right now. What bikes do you see in your future? And do you have any like goals, as in taking a ride to somewhere or making it past a certain mark? Do you have any of these set for yourself?
Yeah, yeah, I definitely do. I'll say for me, one of my goals to ride will be a ride from Texas to Alaska. Just go straight up. It'll be me and hopefully me, you, and a bunch of guys. We just ride up from Texas, from Houston, and go all the way up, and then just chill and enjoy that ride. There's also another ride I want to do called I think it's called a Dragon's Tail. I think that's what they call
Mm-hmm.
it.
Tail of the
Yeah,
Dragon.
the Tail of the Dragons. I definitely want to do that. And then hopefully in the next 5 years, I get to do the Isle of Man. Um,
What's that?
that one is in England. It's actually one of the Isle of. It's on the Isle of Man island, and it's intense. That's where
Oh,
you
you're
could go
talking
a
about
buck.
the kiss your daughter goodbye, kiss your wife, get your last nut because you might not come home. Is
Yeah,
that
that one. It's your that's on the bucket list to do at least once. But going down the line, I'll say for my the bikes that I'll probably see in my future for sure, a fat boy. Um, I need to own at least one fat boy just to
okay, Arnold?
get the experience. A
Okay,
street
Arnold, I
glide for
got you.
sure. Yeah, I need to get that iconic Terminator look for a little while.
Yeah, okay, Arnold, I got you.
A street glide for sure. Um, and then a Ducati and a Honda. I plan on getting
Uh,
a the Fireball, the 1000R.
uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm actually looking at one right now. So,
Okay.
oh, and I missed the BMW double R 1000.
Dude,
It
make up your mind, man.
it's I want a
You said
collection.
one, two, three, four, five, five and a half.
Yeah, 5.5. You gotta have that
Yeah.
collection.
All right, all right. If any, what advice would you give to a new rider, man?
Um, anything you're going to do, commit to it. Never have doubt in what you're about to do, because if you have any doubt, it'll be the death of you.
All right, well, folks, Mr. Z, I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Trying to keep it short, sweet, to the point. Thank you for being on here, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Tear up some roads.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, peace.
Peace.